Chapter 4 Expert Advisor Basics Installment. In this module, we will explain to you how the software program called Expert Advisors works. Expert Advisors are automated programs that inspect market activity and currency price charts for you and search for market signals that can bring you profit. Based on how you program Expert Advisors, they can even perform trading for you. Now let's see how you can manage your Expert Advisors. After you have obtained a custom Expert Advisor, you need to copy it to the correct folder so that MT4 can recognize the file. To access this folder, click on File and then click on Open Data Folder. From there on, locate and open the MQL4 folder, find the folder Experts and copy your Expert Advisor to that folder. So that the client terminal can recognize the updated database, you will need to restart MT4. After this, you will be able to see your new Expert Advisor in the Expert Advisor list located in the Navigator window. Now let's see some relevant details related to the Tools, Options, Expert Advisors tab. Please note that in the updated version of the MT4 platform, the Auto Trading button was previously known as Expert Advisors. By default, and for your own safety, these two very important options have been ticked. The first option is called Disable Automated Trading when the account has been changed. And it provides you with the security that in case you switch from a demo to a real trading account, or you change one trading account type for another one, all active Expert Advisors will be automatically disabled. This means, for example, that if you test a particular Expert Advisor on your demo account and then you log into your real account, your Expert Advisor will be disabled. We suggest leaving this option as it is, ticked. The second option is Disable Automated Trading when the profile has been changed, and it provides you security that in case you change your profile, the Expert Advisor used for a particular chart will be automatically disabled. Now we will explain how to attach the Expert Advisor to a chart. First, you need to make sure that the option Allow Automated Trading is ticked. Alternatively, you can toggle this option on and off by clicking the Automated Trading button in the toolbar. You can disable all your Expert Advisors by pressing the same button again any time. Now you can proceed by pressing OK. You can adjust this option at a later stage when you actually attach the Expert Advisor to the chart. To attach the Expert Advisor to the chart, double-click or right-click and select the Attach option from the drop-down box. Firstly, you should decide what type of trades your Expert Advisor has to perform, such as long buy, short sell, or both. In the live trading section, you can adjust the options which allow live trading or manual confirmation. In the Safety tab, you can enable all imports in order to export live data from MT4. In the Inputs tab, you can modify the options specific to every Expert Advisor. You can see the name of your Expert Advisor at the top right-hand side of the chart. The symbol X means that the Expert Advisor is disabled, while the sad smiley indicates that the Expert Advisor is enabled, but the option Allow Live Trading is inactive. Remember that once an Expert Advisor has been attached to a chart, if you drag and drop or replace the current chart with a new one, the Expert Advisor will remain active. To detach your Expert Advisor from the chart, simply close that chart window. In our next module, you will learn how to backtest your Expert Advisors. Thank you for watching.